I am so excited to be joining season 6 of Knit Stars. I think Jelly Bean is too. I hope you'll join us.
I am Nina Macklin Dayton, and I am insanely excited to be part of Knit Stars Season 6 with an amazing group of gifted and talented people. I'm also super excited about the class that I've come up with for this. I took 15 of my favorite intermediate sort of decorative techniques and put them all into one just big, squishy, multicolored, fabulous sampler cowl.
Hello from Brooklyn, everyone. I can't tell you how excited I am to be on season 6 for Knit Stars.
I'm Kay Fassett, and evidently, I'm a knitting star.
Hi, I'm Brandon Mabley from the Kay Fassett Studio. Join Kate and I on Knit Stars Season 6.
Hello, hello. My name is Jackie Fink and I live in Sydney, Australia, and I am super excited to be able to share finally that I am part of Season 6 for Knit Stars. This is a very special project that we all get to take part in, and aren't we the luckiest ducks?
Hi, this is Amber from Australia. I'm so excited to be joining you for Season 6 of Knit Stars.